Hello and welcome to Second Saturday Art. So the prompts that we have to work with is fall, bats, pumpkins, funny monsters, witches. I'm not doing witches. So I'm going to be doing something around fall. So what I've done so far is I've had some paper that I wanted to recycle anyway, and I'd written on it for a different project, and this is my junk journal, and so I've added it to here. So I'll probably think about colours for fall, and then I'll do something that I really like doing, which is my favourite in terms of creating an image. So those are the kind of parameters I'm going to be working with, and I want to then create something with that on here. So yeah, as I said, it's just scraps of paper that I thought I'm not going to waste. It would be nice just for a layer on this paper, and then the journal that I'm working in is just literally a catalogue. So it's a catalogue from last year from a store, and then I've just added these on there. But the sentiments on the paper is about self-care, so that might even be something that I incorporate. So without further ado, I'm going to be getting on, and I hope you visit all the other creatives in the video hop. I'll list who's next in the description, and I hope you spend time being creative and that you are exploring all the gifts that you've been given and are making the most of them. Okay, so let's get on. Okay, so the other thing is every month I release a set of background papers on my Patreon and on my free tier, and these are the ones for this month. So if you want to go ahead and go get them, they're available for the rest of the month. So I might actually use some of these actually as background, and I've got some from last month that I didn't use. This was last month's, so I'm probably going to use this one. But you're quite welcome to go and join us and see how you get on with the pages. So my page has dried, and you can still see some of the detail in the background, and I will probably just do the one page. I'm not thinking of doing 2 pages, but at least I've got this second page already ready for me for when I want to come back. So I'm just going to get on with playing on this page. I will probably play with fall-ish colours. So I've got some, so we've got a brown, what's this? Yeah. This is water-soluble wax pastels. So I'm just going to play with this limited set of colours that I've got in front of me. I've just pulled it out of my jar that I keep all my neo colours. Oh, maybe that green as well. Okay, and I'm just going to play on the page. So I hope you have fun, and do remember to visit all of the artists in the hop, and I look forward to seeing what you create as well on your journey.